what's up guys? Because I did have to search for the installation of the external back to your RC quite a bit, I decided to put in some info, as I just installed the first one ever in my RC. So if you want to use a better, quicker, but the most important, stronger servo, you might wanna have the back installed because you might need more amps than the standard internal back of your ESC has built in. So not to burn it, you need a back. How to do it? I've done the research and seems like I've done it correctly. So maybe this will be helpful for you. First things first, you need to supply the electricity, so to say, to your back. So I've done a small cut here and here, so plus and minus, and the wires of the back were soldered into the wires of the ESC, and then you need to put the wire from the back, okay, this one is from the back, into the free port of your receiver. But the important thing is to now, from the wires that go from your ESC to your receiver, from those wires you need to take out the red wire. You see, there's no red wire, the middle one. There's only the white on the left and the black on the right. And the middle one, I've just taken it out and just taped it here so that it doesn't, move freely and we don't have any shortcuts. And this way, and of course the third one is a servo, it goes to your receiver. One more thing, you could, before getting out the red wire from the wires from the cables that go from the ESC, you could put the extension first and then take out the middle one, the red one, from the extension, so that if you want to set up the ESC with your card, you can just take out the extension, and you don't have to, and you can easily access the ESC with your program card, so that you don't have to stick the red wire again and take it out after setting up your ESC. Now you can see that the truck is actually not turned on, but you've got the power here on the receiver, because it goes from the packs, from the LiPo packs, through the back to your receiver. So this is the final setup. I decided to put the back here on the top of this thing here. Gave a little bit of foam on underneath, and I made sure that the wires won't tangle in the drive shaft. So yeah, that's it. Time for some tests. Now I will turn it on, and yeah, it's alive. So we've got the back properly installed. I hope properly. We'll see about that when I do some trial runs and see if everything is okay. Thanks for watching. Give thumbs up if you liked the video, or maybe it was helpful for you. Share it with your friends, and see you. Bye bye.